Okay, it is May 23rd, 2020, and in this video I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to try to replace a joystick on a Nintendo Switch Pro controller. So this particular controller is the one I'm touching. It's not actually made by Nintendo, it's a knockoff. And you can see that when you move it, it used to work really well when I first got it, but when you move it, sometimes it gets stuck because the joystick's, I don't know, it's wearing out. Maybe it's dirty. I really don't know what the problem is. But the joystick, yeah, see, it gets stuck right there. So what I'm thinking of doing is replacing this stick with, I got some of these replacements. I hope I don't make things worse. The replacements I just got off eBay and they're made in China, so who knows how good they are. I was kind of messing with them, and if you move the joystick, sometimes it gets stuck. So I don't know. I don't know if it's supposed to do that, but. And just so you know, here's an authentic Nintendo Pro controller. You can tell it's authentic because it has the logo at the top. And this knockoff looks exactly the same, except it doesn't have the logo. I mean, it's identical. It even has the same plastic underneath. So whoever made this was doing some serious stealing of intellectual property. But that's what I got. The official Nintendo one costs like $80 or $90, I don't know how much, and then the knockoff was like $30. And like I said, when I first got it, it worked really well. So I'm hoping if I just replace the joystick, it will return to its glory days. So I'm gonna get started. Okay, I finally figured out how to get it apart. So here's the joystick that I'm trying to replace. Looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 pins. Otherwise, it doesn't look like it'll be hard to desolder with my desoldering gun. So I'm going to try desoldering it. It's kind of a pity that these vibrating things are like glued in. That's like really crappy quality in my opinion, but I guess that's what you get when you buy a knockoff controller. Okay, so I'm going to desolder this part. Got it out. Yep. So, not really sure why it failed, but now I'm going to solder in the new one. And hopefully the new one is better than the old one. I already noticed that it looks a little different, so that, oh wait, no, we're good. Okay. Different color, but looks the shape looks similar. Okay, before I put all the screws back in, I'm going to test it to see if it actually works. Hey, it seems like it's working. Let's do the controls. Wait, control sticks. Hey, this is looking pretty encouraging. Let's see if I can focus on here. No focus. Wow, looks like it actually worked. Alright, so now I'm gonna put the screws back in and put this thing back together, hopefully, and then we'll be done. Well, now I got it back together, but there's no power. So I must have done something wrong with the battery. Well, there's the problem. I forgot to install the battery when I put it back together. That's kind of embarrassing. Let's just make sure that I have it installed correctly before I... Oh, yep, I see lights. Okay. And as you can see, controller is working. So I hope you enjoyed the video, including my mistakes that I made, and I'll see you next time.